You are a beauty. Sleeping beauty. Let's try to wake her up. Hey guys, Rado here with Doing an Iron. So today we are going to try and wake up this sleeping beauty. If everything goes okay according to my plan, at the end of the video we should be able to hear this bike running. So hopefully everything goes the way I want it to. It should. I don't see the reason why not, but you never know. So we're gonna check for the spark. We're gonna put all the fluids in. I'm gonna install the subframe, all the air filter. We're gonna put a tank on. Tank still doesn't have a petcock. It's a brand new tank from IMS, so we're gonna install that. Take petcock from an old tank out, install it into a new tank. Also, I have a kit from All Balls with new seals for the petcock, so we're gonna install that. And yeah, once everything is on, just kick it over a couple times and hopefully this sleeping beauty will fire right up. So let's see. Before we go any further, let's make sure that we have a spark, and then we're gonna install tank and everything. Hope you guys can see it on the video. Cool, we got a spark. Can drop the spark plug in, it's brand new, of course. Subframe, air filter, turbine core 2, tank, everything is on. So next we need to do our oil, coolant, gas, and I guess after that we can kick it. Put my coolant in, I'm gonna open this cap, and as I'm filling it up, I'm gonna also open this bleed bolt on the other side. Last will be to add some gas and we're ready to go. Man, I'm so excited. How are you guys? You guys probably know, right? But man, I've been waiting for this moment for such a long time. Really excited. And this gas can is not good. One more important thing, short prayer. I guess she runs! Woohoo! Thank you, God! Man! Oh, let's do it again! Wow! Alright, my friend, that's about it for today. My garage is full of smoke, it's about midnight. Probably my neighbors are thinking I'm a little crazy here. But anyway, I wanted to see if this bike is running, and it is. It started like what, 5th gig or something like that. It's actually holding, idle. I didn't touch carburetor, I didn't do anything. Man, I love it. So that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments how you like it. I have to tell you, I was a little bit nervous because few things didn't go according to my plan. I cut my finger, and you know, something like the carburetor, I had to adjust everything to fit the electron carburetor and other things like that. But at the end, bike is running. She woke up and we can finish her up. Alright, my friend, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.